So when you go to the review, as mentioned before you go to the review, make sure things are done properly, whatever you want to review. So verify OTP, that is actually the wrong spelling. Okay, then go to the positive. But you probably you did not review with anybody else. That's what happened. Okay, good, thank you. Go to the positive.
Positive has no folder.
And go to the user portal, the buyer portal user sign up. Positive. Negative.
One thing.
Negative. Okay, I want to read the negative at least. Okay, go ahead.
What you say?
Okay, negative. Let me see the as a buyer user should be able to sign up without email address. How this become a
Should not, sorry.
So did you review your work with anybody else? Do you work with anyone in your team?
No, I didn't work with anybody about the Postman. I did it on myself.
But what did you do then? There is not enough. And you copied and pasted, but you did not fix them. Okay, show me more.
I just following the workshop video and I'm doing this one.
Let's see. Okay, thank you. Let's see. One.
Then I also write the test cases.
Okay, you write the assertion. It's called the assertion. Means verification.
I'm sorry?
This is called the assertion, means the verification test, okay? And in your title, why the I is small? As a buyer, I need to sign in with valid credential. Why the I is small? So you do not work with anybody. Do you work with anybody? No, yes or no? Do you work with anyone?
No, I didn't work.
So you are not part of any team, right?
Oh no, I'm part of the group too, like Baranika and Shokanto.
Okay,
good. I have a team, but I didn't do anything with Postman with a team.
Sure. So have you reviewed your work with them? Or do you guys?
No, I didn't review any work with them.
Okay, so if you do not review, you work with somebody else, how can you ensure that your work is done properly? So
I didn't realize it. I will review with him. I didn't realize it. Like I need to review the work.
Sure, but do you remember in the workshop we mentioned once you do something, you go through the review process? Did I tell that word, guys, that you go through the review process?
Yes, sir.
So ask me, what do you mean you did not realize it? It means
I know that like as a LLM, if I need to create anything, I need to review them. Like this, I have some mistakes. Sorry.
That's fine. Okay, I'm asking everybody a question. It's Ramadan. Do not lie. Then you'll be in big trouble.
No, I didn't lie.
No, I'm ask everybody. You guys all say the truth. Do you guys watch workshop video very carefully, or you guys do not watch the workshop video? You just cheat. Just tell me the truth. Again, that is not the late, because I find out the workshop my review is telling me workshop video is not being utilized properly. Either workshop video, the wording, punctuation, but everything. Means in the workshop we have an instruction, we have an advice, we have a best practice, everything. So Tasmia, you go first. I will ask everybody. Do you watch workshop video very carefully? Take the notes after the workshop is done.
Yes, when I watched the workshop video, I honestly watched the whole video, but sometimes some concept I couldn't understand clearly, but mostly I understand.
You understand?
Yeah, sometimes, yeah, this is true. all of this I cannot understand, but some mostly I understand. Some
Yeah.
concept I couldn't understand.
Yes.
So for me, document is
You
very
finish.
helpful. When I read document, then this help me very, yeah.
Sure. Let me finish. So when you said you do not understand, but in the workshop, we mentioned throughout the week, you should ask the question in the chat group. Have you asked any question as of now that we have not answered?
Not a,
Good. So you know that if we place you a job in any job, right, you'll get fired because you actually break the expectation. Expectation was, okay, take it. If you have any question, just here is the place, ask the question throughout the week. That's the expectation. I'm paying you hourly $50. Okay, go ahead. And you did not do that. Do you know why it happened? Because there are two reasons happen. One of the reason, Zahara shared like the 30 minutes, her best practices. I am positive many of you did not watch that. And that's the reason. Forget about the IT job. Forget about everything. As of now, like the 10 or 12 people, the review, the things are not even in place. Things are not means basic punctuation. You even do not have any documentation. Someone is testing, someone is doing something very opposite. Someone is install the OBS to install. Someone doesn't know how to filter something, and someone wrote the one test cases. Someone did not review anything. You see this, all these basic things. But since I am leading the workshop, I say the word actually I think 50 times, not one time, because just to stress the importance of the instruction, follow the instruction, follow the process. So that has missed. So can you show anything else? That's me. You want to show anything else?
what do you mean anything?
Mansi, have you done anything else?
I can go to the sandbox project.
Yeah, exactly, please. Do not tell anyone the next Saturday there will be a quick like this session will be for the PowerDocs as well. Okay, sure. This is your backlog or your
This is the springboard.
okay. I should be able to delete a profile.
Like this one I do it, but like I think this is,
it should be delayed or it should be able to change.
yeah, I see there are no option, delete option, but I think there should be a delete option. Like I can change, but when I upload a profile fixer, then I try to delete the fixers, and I see I did not have any option for delete. Then I download a logo fixer, then I save here. So
Sure.
this is a little bit funny.
Well, yeah, no, you're right. But at this moment, as per design, we do not want, you can change means the delete kind of. Yes, but yes, we did not have an option to, if you like a delete a profile picture, it looks bad, right? It looks creepy on the UI. So we did the two option, either I'm fine with your bug. It's not a bug. It is like it's called the requirements working as per design. Again, requirement of the interface is working as per design. So basically, if you change another picture, then you're good. And you have also done, you actually download our logo and you change it, that's also good. So, but go, I want to read. I saw you have done some writing.
The producer step.
Login to your portal, click on the profile picture. So if you say the login TS for your portal, how someone get the username and password? You did not pass any username and password here.
Oh, I need to write I put username and password.
No, You do not need to give your exact username password. You have to give dummy username. This is the dummy username, but you need to have your own username and password. You need to say, this information doesn't help. Someone, so you can say the prerequisite is you need to have the username and password, because it does, you do not need to be a bootcamp student. Anybody can log in and they can change the profile picture. Okay, so
And configuration, this is okay. Like browser is Safari, operating system Mac, and machine is Mac laptop. This is okay.
okay, better, not bad. Okay, scroll down. Okay, scroll down.
No more time.
Up. What did this screenshot does exactly? What did you do here?
I'm sorry.
What did you write? The open image in the new window. Okay, got it. Okay, okay, understood. Do you want to review anything else? Why did you put the priority one? Go back. Why did you put the
I need
priority one missing?
to fix that one. Sorry, like this not mandatory.
It's good to have. I'm not saying. I'm asking again. Hey, you can provide as a QA. You provide your own priority, your severity. In the team, they make the changes because the business or the product owner think, no, this is not the priority. This is not the high. We have other work to do. You can do, but before you do it, you need to have a sense. You need to ask yourself, is it really one? Is it really
Yeah,
two?
this not mandatory, but yeah,
Okay.
I forgot to change it.
Okay. Okay, open and close. Close it. You're good. Do you want to show anything else?
What anything else? No, I'm not sure. Manual test case, I did that one, and also I did Postman. Then, yeah, I'm following it, the workshop video and taking notes. Also, test plan. I did e-commerce platform, positive.
Okay.
Also, I read the
You wrote them.
this
Okay.
one. Yeah. Also, Postman. I also did monitoring also and running the collection.
Postman is not
Like
enough.
I follow. Yeah.
Postman is not enough.
Yeah, like I did this one.
She studied from 1 a.m. to like in the morning. Okay. 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 All right. Thank you. You can stop at least.
Okay, thank you so much.
You have some, yeah.